This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Serena Fagan Johnson. View 3D tour above _ Stunning pond, golf course, and conservation view. Meticulously clean and maintained Kingston floor plan with a large, extended, screened lanai. Walk in with a stunning view of green grass and water and no neighbors in your backyard. High ceilings, stainless appliances and upgraded recessed LED lights in kitchen. LED lights in most of the villa. 3/4 inch red oak engineered hardwood floors in the primary bedroom, guest bedroom, great room, and den. Ceramic tile in all wet areas. Coastal colors throughout the home give it a relaxing and comfortable feeling. Crisp, white plantation shutters, bead board and chair rail are just a few of the extra touches that make this home special. The kitchen is large and open with newer stainless steel appliances and contemporary cabinetry. The extended, screened lanai faces east on the 8th hole of Scepter Golf Course. This unit has a split floor plan for maximum privacy. Extra storage throughout, including extra cabinets in the laundry room and garage. The garage also has attic stairs and storage. The screened 16x13 lanai has one of the best views in Kings Point. Kings Point has a restaurant and bar, 6 pools, and hundreds of unique social clubs, groups, organizations and classes, tennis, fitness, entertainment, classes, spa, salon. Gold KPW warranty.